Jai Srimannarayana. 20th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ahamatma Gudakesa Sarvabhuta Asayasthitaha Ahamadischa ಮಧ್ಯಂಚ ಭೂತಾನಾಂ ಅಂತಯೇವ ಚ. ಓಂ. As and how you are in your body, so also Sri Krishna Paramatma dwelling in your heart and in every being in this entire cosmos. This entire cosmos is like his body. Sri Krishna Paramatma is Atma for all these beings. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the cause of your origination, your sustentation and your dissolution. Realize these facts and get rid of ignorance. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are dwelling in my heart and in every being heart. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the cause of my origination and sustentation and dissolution. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall get rid of my ignorance and realize the fact that entire universe is like body to you. You are the Atma. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 130th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, while Yashoda Devi churning curds, Then Krishna comes and asks, Amma, please give me milk, feed me milk. Like that, while he is saying, he is also held that stick which Yasoda Devi using to churn the curds. He is not letting Yasoda Devi churn anymore. Then Yasoda Devi tamankam arudham apayayat stanam snehasnutam sasmitamikshati mukham kavvamu pattina priyasutun avanaruhanetra tigichi అంకతలమునన్ నవ్వుచు నిడుకొని కూకటి దువ్వుచు చన్నిచ్చెనతడు దూటుచు గుడిచెన్. Then Yasoda Devi stopped her churning and then took Krishna into her lap and hugged him very tightly. Then while looking at his smiley beautiful face, while putting her fingers in the hair of Krishna, while taking care of Krishna, she started feeding milk to Krishna. While this is going on, there the milk which is there on the stove, then those milk is now boiling and overflowing. Then Yasoda Devi immediately kept అతృప్తం ఉత్సృజ్య జవేన సాయయౌ కడుపారంచను పాలు త్రావణి సుతున్ కంజాక్షి పీఠంబుపై నిడి. Yasoda Devi immediately kept Krishna aside and ran inside to take care of that milk. By then Krishna's drinking of milk is not satisfactorily completed. Because Krishna is not satisfied, Sanjata Kopaha, he got mad. Then Spuritaruna Adharam, because he is now angry, he is biting his lips with his teeth. Those lips are very delicate lips. Now because he is biting with the teeth, those beautiful delicate lips, small red lips became more reddish. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 20th sloka. Ahamatma Gudakesa Sarvabhutashayasthitaha Ahamadischa Madhyancha Bhutanam Antayeva cha. Ahamatma Gudakesa Sarvabhutashayasthitaha Ahamadischa Madhyancha Bhutanam Antayeva cha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.